After Jose Rizal's Noli Me Tangere, one character stands out as a symbol of the oppressed, the silenced, and the forgotten. Sisa, the mother whose cries echoed through the ruins of a broken home and a broken nation. Her story is not just a fiction, but a reflection of reality, then and now.
Crispin! Basilio! Nasaan na kayo mga anak ko? Nasaan na kayo? Crispin? Basilio! Nasaan na kayo? Sisa, the mother of Crispin and Basilio, represents countless of Filipino mothers during the Spanish colonization. Powerless, poor, and punished for sins they did not commit. Her voice was drowned out by the cruelty of the friars, and her sanity taken by grief and injustice.
Inay, wala na po si Crispin. Kinulong siya, sinaktan, tapos hindi ko na siya nakita, hindi ko siya nailigtas. Patawarin niyo po ako, Inay.
Anak ko! Walang kasalanan si Crispin! Bata pa lang? Pinaparusahan na! Bakit ba ganito ang mundo? Bakit ba tayo pinaparusahan ng mga makapangyarihan?
Inay! Inay!
Panginoon! Kunin niyo na lang po ako! Ano ba sa ng buhay ko kung wala ng mga anak ko?
Patawarin mo po ako, Inay. Wala akong magawa. Hinayaan kong mawala siya.
Sisa was not just a mother. She was every Filipino caught in the trap of poverty and injustice, silenced by those in power. And today, centuries later, her cries still echo in every broken home and every mother left behind.
Ang laki naman nito. Bubaya rin sa tubig, sa kuryente, hulog sa cellphone ng anak ko. Ay, ano nang gagawin ko? Isang sahod kalahating buwan. Ay, sunod-sunod ang mga bayarin. Paano ko mababalaya ang sarili ko sa ganitong siklo? Today, Sisa takes many forms. An OFW mother who's missing birthdays just to feed her children. A market vendor who sleeps 3 hours a night. And a mother in the slums whose child was a victim of injustice. Oy, Chang! Napatawag ka! Ano? Si Brian? Ano nangyari sa kanya?
Patay matapos barilin sa ulo ang isang lalaki sa Antipolo Rizal. Ang bangkay ng biktima natagpuan sa kanal. Nasa frontline balitang yan si Ian Suyu.
Duguan, basag ang muka at wala ng buhay. nang matagpuan ng hindi pa nakikilalang lalaking yan sa kanal sa barangay Kupang sa Antipolo, Rizal. Nang reviewin ng CCTV sa lugar.
Justice delayed, justice denied. Like Sisa, mothers still cry in silence. The question is, are we listening?
Sisa is not just a character in a novel. She is our history. She is our present. In every injustice suffered by the poor, and in every mother broken by the system.
Sisa lives in every cry for justice.
This is more than a portrayal. It is a call for awareness, a call for action. So let us share this message and let Sisa's story never be forgotten.